VW Type 6. What a lovely looking machine, eh? This is got to be the pinnacle now. I think the rest of these are sort of like going electric and all that nonsense. I do believe it to be nonsense. I think we need another 20 years before that's going to be a success. This van's came onto us. Nice guy called John owns it. Let's just have a look in there. Oh yeah, beautiful. As modern as it comes, eh? Yes, yes, very nice. The guy's using it for his work, and then he's going to convert it into a camper. Nice van to use for your work, this. My goodness. I didn't ask the guy what he actually did. Let's just have a look round it, yeah. But, unfortunately, it's got the oil burning problem, the oil consumption. And what that's doing is it's filling up the DPF and the cat converter area and putting all sorts of problems up on the dash. And the guy says it's absolutely wolfing oil now. We've secured him some new oversized pistons for this. They have come on the market. This is the one with the charge cooler. Let's just see if we can pop the hood, buddy, as they say in America. Just have a look here, one-handed, so excuse the fumblings. Yep, it's got the charge cooler. So this engine's going to be removed. We're going to rebuild it. We're going to solve the oil consumption problem and put a lot of new parts in it as well. They do have a polymer coated bearing in these engines, and we don't like that. We put proper white metal crankshaft bearings in them. The ones with the plastic coating on, well, we all know that's only going to last so long. So yeah, really pretty van. The mirrors flip up and the windows shut themselves and the doors lock. Oh wow. I like his black bars as well, and his stealthy black wheels. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that with my T4. Just a bit shiny, you know. I think chrome's going out a bit these days. It's all right in vintage vehicles, but something as modern and as sharp looking as this, it doesn't want chromey bits on it. Just check out them evil looking Invader lights. I believe that they're standard. I'm not too up on the trim of the T6 yet. I'm still learning with these guys, but yeah, lovely looking machine. So we're going to lock this in our compound. It is going to be here for about a week or 10 days until the guys get round to the other fitting jobs that we've got, because as you can imagine, we're busy. And then we're going to have it out, so we'll keep the videos coming for this one. I think it's going to be a nice feature, most definitely. Oh wow, yeah. It is a blank canvas, carpeted out. Oh yeah. Just do what you want in there, couldn't you? You know, I think it's got like they call this the flex system for the seating. Lights in the steps. I'm actually emulating that with my T4. I've got some little starlights left over, and it's going to get about, I think, 4 of them in the steps. So when the door opens, you can see your way in when you've had a few, you know, when you're on the campsites and that. Yeah, nice bit of kit. He said he's got a leisure battery in the back for when he's going to turn it into a camper. Yeah, that's definitely a good idea. And he's got some power ports down there. So this van is really getting there. You know, he's planned it slowly, I think, and trimmed it out real nice. So wow, yeah, impressed with that. So we'll do some more videos on this van, and let's see how it all progresses, eh?